Pharmacist Bannon, it's time for another moment of truth. If you find yourself being driven crazy by your thoughts, here's some tips to liberate yourself and master your thinking process. First of all, and most importantly, you have to be motivated and willing to see thoughts and thinking from a different perspective. Then start watching and noticing thought and the thought process. Watch a thought arise from nowhere and then return to that nowhere only to be instantly replaced by another one. Get curious about who is thinking the thought and who is observing or listening to the thought. Are you the thinker of the thought or the watcher of it? And are there really two of you in there? Deconstruct thought into its neurology. After all, thoughts are not really facts. They're just the end result of electrolytes like potassium and sodium entering into brain cells, and when they are recognized as such, their power will begin to diminish. Finally, when you have a persistent disempowering thought, rather than merely thinking it or believing it, label it, and then be prepared with a beneficial thought to replace it with. Labeling will turn thought into a solid thing rather than information to be paid attention to. This objectification will deactivate the thought, at which point it will become easier to replace it with something more empowering. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.